So in this video we are going to see about a design that is a design of line canal. Okay, here in the syllabus itself they have mentioned about a trapezoidal section. So you all know that the most economical trapezoidal section will be like this. Is it? This is your breadth and this will be your depth of flow, and you'll have the slope 1 in n or 1 in z, and this will be your theta, like this. So for the design of line canal it will be like this. Here there will be one curved. Okay, they will be designed like this. When you have to go for this type of section is when your discharge is greater than 55 meter cube per second. Okay, in that case we have to design the most economical section, that is a trapezoidal section, in this way. Okay, so and also if they ask to limit or the maximum velocity should be 2.5 meter per second, if they have mentioned like that, you have to design it in this way. Okay, what is the main difference here is the area. The formula for finding the area will be like this and the perimeter will be like this. Okay, area is y into b plus y theta plus y cot theta. Perimeter is b plus 2y theta plus 2y cot theta. Okay, here this will be this angle will be theta. This theta and this theta will be same. That is the only difference between the normal trapezoidal section and the lined canal section. That is when you have to go for this design is if your discharge is greater than 55 meter cube per second and your velocity, maximum velocity will be 2.5 meter cube per second. In that case you have to use this area formula and also for perimeter formula for the design. Okay, design means nothing but you are finding out what is the breadth and what is your depth. That's all. Okay, in normal trapezoidal section channel, for the most economical channel we will use the condition b plus 2nd is equal to d into root of 1 plus n square, like that. So if they mentioned the discharge is greater than 55 meter cube, that is if it is 1000 meter cube per second, if it is 500 meter cube per second, in that case you have to design like this. Okay, so here we are going to see one problem, simple problem. The question will be like this: design a line canal to carry 100 meter cube per second on a slope of 1 in 2500. The maximum permissible velocity, they have mentioned the maximum permissible velocity is 2 meter cube per second, n is 0.013 and side slope is 1.25 h is to 1 vertical. So write down first the given data. Q is 100 meter cube per second, bed slope is 1 in 2500, velocity maximum, n side slope. Okay, we know the formula, simple formula. First you have to find out the area. Okay, area. Second step you have to find the hydraulic mean depth. Third depth you have to find the wetted perimeter, and the fourth step you can find out what is the area and perimeter, and from that you can find out what is the dimensions. Okay, when we can able to find out the dimension is if we know the area, we can easily find out what is the breadth and what is the width. Is it? We know the formula Q is equal to area into velocity. If we know the area, you can easily find out what is breadth and the depth. So first step is Q is equal to area into velocity. Q is given, velocity is given, so that you can easily find out what is the area. Okay, and what is the second step? We know the formula as the Manning's constant is given. Mostly this line canal, design of line canal will be using Manning's formula. So V is equal to 1 by n, r raised to 2 by 3, s raised to half. So here V is known, s is given, we don't know what is r. R is nothing but hydraulic mean depth or hydraulic radius. So that you can easily find out what is r. Okay, so the third step is we know r and we know a. From that you can easily find out what is the wetted perimeter. So r is equal to area divided by wetted perimeter. So you got the value. Okay, so what is the fourth step is we know area is equal to one formula, perimeter is equal to formula in terms of theta. Okay, so in that we don't know what is theta. For finding that, they have given the side slope as 1 vertical is to 1.25 horizontal. So from that you can easily find out what is theta. Okay, and also you have to convert it into radians. Okay, into pi by 180. If you multiply this degree into 1 pi by 180 degree, you will get what is the theta in terms of radians. So we know area is equal to by plus y square theta plus y square cot theta, or you can write it as by plus, or you can write it as y into b plus y theta plus y cot theta. Okay, so we know theta. As the theta is alone, you have to substitute in terms of radians. Okay, if it is joined with the trigonometry functions, you can substitute in terms of degree. So by plus y square into in terms of radians plus y square into cot 38 degree 65. So from this you will get one value. Take this as first equation. Okay, and we know the formula for the perimeter is b plus 2y theta plus 2y cot theta. So in that also substitute the value of theta. So you will get this equation. Okay, in this take find out the value for b. B is equal to in terms of depth. Okay, take this value and substitute in first equation, that is in area. Okay, in this substitute the value of b. So everything will be in terms of y and y square. Okay, you'll get like this. Okay, so finally this will be in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, it will be in the form of quadratic equation. Formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. With this you can find out, you will get the two roots. Okay, you will get two roots. Y is equal to 1.634 meter and 15.89 meter. Okay, substitute both the values in b and find out the corresponding b value. One will be positive and another one will be negative. So neglect the negative root and so that you can easily find out what is the depth of the canal and the width of the canal. Okay, finally you have to draw the diagram. So you have to provide one curve here and horizontal, and a curve here and a side slope. Okay, the width is 27.44 meter and the depth is, what is the depth we have found, 1.634 meter, and the side slope it is given 1 vertical to 1.25 horizontal. Okay, and like this is your theta value. Okay, this point, from this point to this point here is your horizontal value. Okay, this portion is curved. This is the design of lined trapezoidal canal. Okay, we all understood?